Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll show you that how you can grade your quizzes. So I have created many questions for the quiz purpose, and in this video, I'll show you that how you can grade your quiz and how you can access the grade system of LifterLMS. So first of all, I'll complete the quiz to show you the next process. Have completed the quiz, and now I'll show you. As you can see, here I have 3 questions that is automatically graded, and here is the last one that is awaiting review by your instructor. That means these questions need to manually graded by the instructor, and if you add multiple questions, multiple types of questions, fill in the blanks, those questions will be automatically graded. But if you add short answer, long answer, code type, upload file type questions, that time that need to be manually graded from the packet. So it depends which kind of questions you are adding on your quiz. So now I'll show you that how you can access the grade system and how you can manually grade your student awaiting review sections. So first of all, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. Then we have to visit LifterLMS and reporting. Then here we have to click on quizzes. So here is the course feedback quiz that I completed, and you can see it's bold and it's awaiting 4 because I tried a couple of times. That's the reason it's showing 4. So we have to click on the specific quiz, and then we have to click on attempts so that we can see all the attempts. So you can see there is a couple of attempts. So I will select the last one, or you can see the most recent one. You can select as per your need. So here you can see the first 3 questions is automatically graded because those are multiple choice, filling the blanks where I already added the correct answer. And only this one is made manually graded. So now we have to click on start a review so that we can review our questions. So you can add a remarks, but I don't want that. I just want to complete the awaiting quiz question type. So here is the short answer. I can add a remarks, and then I can select points. You can see this question's point is 3, so I will give it to 3. And then I have to click on save preview. So now all the quizzes are complete, and if I visit my WordPress dashboard to show you the student view, so if I click on my dashboard, you can see you passed a quiz. I got some notifications. The lesson. So you passed a quiz because I completed the quiz and my instructor already reviewed my questions and it's completed now. So this is how you can access the quiz grade system, and you can grade your quiz for your students. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.